Welcome to this small video. We have often listened to this question many times. What is the full form of PHP? What does PHP stand for? Let's dig into it. PHP originally stood for Personal Home Page. That's how it originally originated when the creator developed it. He called it as Personal Home Page. Now, PHP stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. Yes, it is. It stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. The P stands for PHP again. The H stands for hypertext, and the last P stands for preprocessor. And we call this as a recursive acronym. Recursive acronym. So you might be thinking, what the heck is recursive acronym? It's very simple. Just look at the pattern. For the first P, the form itself is the word again, the word itself, the PHP. So to make it a little more easier for you, let's get into Wikipedia, where we'll try to get what the heck is a recursive acronym is all about. If you can see, a recursive acronym is an initialism that refers to itself in the expression for which it stands. The term was first used in print in April 1986. Let's not get into all this stuff. Probably these examples should help you out. You can log into Wikipedia and just type and you will get it. So if you look into some of the acronyms over here, you see Eros. The first letter again is Eros. Then it goes for the research operating system. The same way, let's see anything which more familiar than that. And if you can look into KDE is KDE desktop environment again. There are quite a few examples. You can have a look into it. And here comes our topic of discussion, which is PHP again. You can look into this. PHP stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. So a recursive acronym is something what the first letter stands for itself. And then it's called as a recursive acronym. Probably is there a logic behind it? I'm not pretty sure about it, but if you get into the PHP.NET, which is the original one, and go ahead and search for recursive, it's right here, and let's search for recursive and what it shows off. Obviously it may talk about the acronym again, but when you see this, you can find out one area. So this is the search results what we got for recursive, and you can see that there are a lot of PHP recursive patterns. That means during your coding and other things, there will be a lot of times you will be using the element recursive within the program, and a lot of technicality will be associated with it. Even how the code functions, there should be something which is involved, which you'll come to know in the later classes, and what exactly it means. So now let's make it very clear for now, so that we can remove the doubt about the thing which always many students, not everybody, but quite a few students have asked, which is PHP. If anyone asks you what's PHP, PHP originally stands for Personal Home Page. Now it stands for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, and you know that's a recursive acronym, and there should be a pattern in the coding also. That probably might be the reason how they have named it. So saying that, let's move into what exactly is PHP. So what is PHP? PHP is the most popular and widely used server-side scripting language for web development for creating dynamic websites. So what you can create, once you learn PHP, you can be a part of a team, or you can be a freelancer who can go ahead and do it for your clients. What can you do? It's a dynamic websites like web portals, content management systems, learning management systems, the e-commerce sites which you see everywhere, right from your Flipkarts to Amazon's kind of stuff. The membership sites, there are so many membership login sites wherein it is password protected and only members can look into it. All these things and more and more. So the moment you understand how to work with the code and you become strong in the fundamentals, it's a pretty exciting language. And let's look into who's this man. This man is Rasmus Lerdorf. He is a man, and we need to thank him for he being the creator of PHP scripting language. He's the creator of the language, and a little bit of details over here. He's 43. He's from University Loop, and he's from the King City Secondary School. So if anyone asks about the next time, what is the full form of PHP or what does it stand, you can give a deeper meaning saying that PHP originally stood for personal home page. And your obvious answer as of now, if you have to give it, it is PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. It's a recursive acronym. The first letter stands for it. So hope that is clear. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, you can ask for us. And we at Bangalore have free orientation sessions about PHP. You can come over and attend the free orientation session, and you can shoot in a number of questions for us. We look forward to meet you. Thank you very much for listening to this video.